The very idea started at the beaches. We are showing our guests the beauty of, well, this and the cenotes and the flora and fauna of beautiful Mexico. And many times you find some trash, and since we are organizing beach cleanups twice a month, we are very aware about what is on the beach. It is many times the plastic bottles, it is many times microplastic from broken down plastic bottles or any plastic containers. And well, the idea was to first of all give back, since we are living off this beauty. We're showing our guests the beauty of Mexico, and we have to take care of that. So us living off that beauty, I felt responsible to give back. So that's how the entire idea started, of having reusable bottles, replacing the plastic bottles we used to give in our tour. And the entire project started over a year ago, sourcing, scouting, reaching out to several suppliers, finding a customs agent, finding freight agents. It was quite a journey. I have I think 25 different models of these as samples on my desk, and I have them there as a reminder because I wanted to get it done, but next to that I have to run a tour business and other things to do. So it took quite some time, but I'm really excited. I mean, really excited that these bottles finally are here. We can finally say we are plastic bottle free. We still have to work on some details with the cereal bars. We want to replace that as well, so we can one day say that we are 100% plastic free. But with the plastic bottles and these bottles now, it is a big step. And the idea as well, what I'm really proud of, is I believe that we are the first but not the last. What I'm trying to say is there will be many more tour operators following our example. I really like that idea about these bottles. Okay, let's have a look inside. Oh, I forgot to say. In the tour we are using reused bottle. Obviously we wash them every time it comes back from the tour. We wash it. It's the same thing as you're going to a restaurant and using a glass or a plate or cutlery there. It is totally hygienically fine and clean to use. If you decide to buy one of these bottles in the tour, they are available there as well. Let's have a look. The provider wanted to put it in bubble wrap in order to protect the bottle. It's coming a far way, but obviously we want to avoid the plastic, so paper was the choice to protect the inside. Once again, a very simple card box, and inside is the stainless steel bottle. It is, like I said, indestructible in my consideration. It is very easy to carry. It has this little handle or grip, and actually with the carabiner, I'm using them since 2 months. I have a little carabiner here, and it's very easy to handle. And it's half a liter, 500 milliliters. That's 17 ounces of liquid you can get in there. Once again, it stays keeps the temperature. It is leak proof. There is some silicone here in order to keep it from leaking. And once again, since it is double walled, it's not spreading, what I really like.